Mulching the Topsoil, a gardener's guide to healthier soil. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for gardeners and anyone interested in maintaining a healthy garden: mulching the topsoil. Mulching is not just about making your garden look neat. It's about protecting and enriching your soil. Stick around as we explore what mulching the topsoil entails and why it's so beneficial for your plants. Mulching refers to the practice of covering the soil surface around plants with a layer of material. This can be organic, like wood chips, straw, or leaves, or inorganic, such as stones or plastic. The primary goal is to conserve moisture, improve soil health, reduce weed growth, and enhance the visual appeal of the area. Topsoil is the uppermost layer of soil, which is rich in nutrients and organic matter. It's where most of the plant's roots grow and absorb water and nutrients. Preserving the quality of topsoil is crucial for plant health and growth. Without a healthy top layer, plants may struggle to thrive, making mulching an essential practice for garden maintenance. To effectively mulch your garden's topsoil, follow these steps. 1. Choose the right mulch. Decide between organic and inorganic mulch based on your garden needs. Organic mulches enrich the soil as they decompose, while inorganic mulches are more durable. 2. Prepare the area. Remove weeds and water the soil thoroughly before applying mulch. 3. Apply the mulch. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around your plants, making sure not to pile it against the stems or trunks, which can cause rot. 4. Maintenance. Check the mulch layer periodically and add more as needed to maintain the proper thickness. Mulching offers numerous benefits, including moisture retention, helps soil retain water, reducing the need for frequent watering. Temperature regulation, insulates the soil, keeping it warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Weed control, suppresses weed growth by blocking sunlight. Soil health, organic mulches decompose over time, adding valuable nutrients back into the soil. We hope this guide has shed light on the importance of mulching the topsoil in your garden. Not only does it help in maintaining a healthy, vibrant garden, but it also supports the environment by conserving water and reducing weed growth without chemicals. Remember, a little effort in mulching can go a long way in ensuring the health and beauty of your garden. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.